My name is Pamela Hago. I'm the regional coordinator for KRA in Western Region. In Western Region, I manage 10 counties of the former Nyanza and Western Province. The reason why we are here as KRA is because of our role. At Customs, we have a role of controlling international trade. Here we have international exhibitors who have come from all over Africa, and they have brought with them goods for exhibition, and the KRA must be in control of all those goods that are being exhibited here, and we monitor them. So that is why as KRA we must show our presence here. The other role that we do as KRA, you know, we are a tax authority, and we have these visitors who come here. Some of them would like to invest here in the country, and therefore they would need to have knowledge of taxation in the country. So we are here to educate them on the rate of tax. We are here to educate them on investments and how we tax investment and all that. So it is an important information for investors to have that before they can invest in a country. As you are aware, different countries tax different rates. So investor would want to go where they are most favored. So that's why we are here to educate them on Kenyan taxation. Another area is the exports. Most of exhibitors here would want to produce and export, and we must give them the rules that KRA applies in all exports that leave and imports that come in through the country. That information is vital for international trade.